Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for cumulative frequency. Okay, we got the table. So the first of all, we need to find the cumulative frequency. So starting from here is 0, 0 plus by 3, it's gonna be 3 plus by 7, it's gonna be 10. Then 10 we plus by 4, it's gonna be 14. Next 14, here we always plus. So 14 we plus by 29. It's gonna be 43. Then 43 we plus by 51. It's gonna be 94. Next we got plus by 40. It's gonna be 135. Next we plus by 12. It's gonna be 146. Plus by 3, 149. And then plus by 1 is 150. Here is the cumulative frequency. So to draw it, we will start it from 0. Yeah, since this is required, yeah, I will just copy it. So I will explain it to you. Hope that you can see it. So look at it. First, we got 0 and cumulative frequency 0. So from 0, we didn't start at all. Next, from 10 to 20 is 3. Look at it, 10 to 20. So we counted the last. Here is 10 to 20. This is 3. We always count the last. Look at it, the last. 0 and this is 0 and 10. So we write it here. Next, 20 and 3. So 20 and 3 here. Next, last class, 30 and 10. So it's 30 and this is 10. 40 and 14. 40 and 14. So we just use this last class width with the cumulative frequency. Then you just draw it the line later on. Okay, use the curve to estimate the Q1 and Q3. So Q1 is the lower quartile and then the QT is the upper quartile. So to know it, so the lower quartile is 1/4. We multiply it with the n. And the total is 150. So 1/4 we multiply it with 150. So 150. So it's 37.5. So this is 37.5, the number. So just write it until the curve and going down. So it's almost 50. Yeah, almost 50. We can say as 49. So I write it here, quartile 1. Yeah, is 49. Quartile 3. So if quartile, we forget about the median. For the median is a half. So we can 1/2 median times 150. So it's 75. Yeah, which is here 75. So just make a straight line to the curve. Then we got it here to down. So here is the median. Yeah, if we use estimating here between 50 and 60, however it's close to 60. So here is gonna be 57. Quartile 3 or upper quartile, we can find it by 3/4. Then we multiply it by 150. So 150 we divide by 4 and then times by 3. So we got 112 here. So make it line and going down. Here we approximately around here between 60 to 70. Our is in the between, so the quartile 3 is gonna be 65. So the interquartile, so we can just use this information. Interquartile range is quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So 65 we minus by 57. This equal to 16. Okay, the pass rate for this test is 40%. of the student pass the test. Okay, percentage. Use the percentage, so we can use as percentage here. 40. So we'll count it from here. Starting from here until down 100. So until here. So here's 150. Yeah, 150 we minus by the 40. What's the 40? Okay, is 14 here. So the total of student 150 minus by 14. So 150 minus by 14. It's gonna be 136. To make it percentage, let's divide by 150. So we divide by 150. So here is 91%. Number of students, yeah, pass. Indicate the 60th and okay. So for the percentile is divided by 160. So for the 60 is 60 over 100 multiplied by 150. So it's equal to 15 times 6. So it's 90. Okay, here 90. Make a straight line. And we going down here. So we can see here indicate is 60% of student score 59. Yeah, from here is 59. You can see score 59 or less. Now it's 80. Percentile is over 100, so 80 over 100 multiplied by 150. So it's gonna be 120. So here 120. So going down here. So for the 80% of student, here is it's not student. Let's write it student score. Here also student score. You can see from here is 67 or less. Okay, next, estimate the median of the height player in this sample. So we got 200. So if the median is 1 over 2 of total 200, which is 100. So here going straight curve and we going down. So we can estimate it. I will just erase it. Here is 166 centimeter. Quartile 1 and then quartile 2. Okay, we can have, so 200, 1 over 4 of 200 is 50. So here make a straight line for 50 cumulative frequency and going down. Okay, we can estimate it for the quartile 1 is 156.5. Quartile 3 is 3 over 4 of 200, which is 150. Okay, go down here. Going down. While the quartile 3 equal to 176. So interquartile range is quartile 3 we minus by quartile 1. So 176 minus by 156.5. So it's gonna be 19.5. Okay, what is the percentage? Basketball players are over 1.82 meter. So it's approximately 182. Not approximately, yeah. We change it into centimeter, 182 centimeter. So 70, let's go on again. Okay, here is the 80. So if this is 82, okay, here, approximately here, going down, going up. Okay, so on 150, 70, so 170 to 200 is 30, only 30 people. So 30 people of 200. So we can multiply it by percentage. So we got 30 divided by 200 times with 100%. So here is 15%, the percentage. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, yeah. That is. Thank you.